In this video, we'll demonstrate a handful of tricks that can resolve the Samsung Galaxy phone not charging issue and bring it back to life. Let's jump right in. To start, inspect your smartphone's USB port for any debris. Dust and lint tend to accumulate, hampering proper electrical conductivity. Take a close look at the port using a flashlight and, if you spot debris, gently clear it using a toothpick or a slim brush. Be cautious to avoid any physical damage. Subsequently, plug in the charger to check for successful charging. If the issue persists, initiate a restart on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Simultaneously, press the volume down button and power button and tap on Restart. Once the phone boots up, promptly connect the charger. Next, experiment with a different cable and adapter. The current ones may be faulty, so utilizing an alternative charger and cable could resolve the issue. Also, during this process, ensure you are using a different power outlet. As a last resort, try charging your phone with a wireless charger. Place your smartphone on the charging pad and wait for the charging animation to appear. If it fails to show up, consider taking your device to a Samsung service center for a thorough inspection. These quick fixes are sure to power up your Galaxy smartphone. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button at Guiding Tech and dive into one of these videos for some tech delights.